Here, this Parrot here, and right now is very windy. And you guys are gonna see how the performance, how this guy work on the wind. Okay, and I'm gonna try out some of this battery here. But yeah, this is my portable controller. This is the Mad Catz the budget version, but the cool thing I like about this one right here, it just remind me of my Ultra Robotics controller, the Evo, and also the you guys didn't see my Mavic controllers, the DJI Spark Air and Tooth. That's what I like about it. So portable, you can just put it in your pocket, so easy. So I'm using this camera. Let's look at the link. It's like what, maybe $10 now, or 15 or 10 bucks. I think it's $10 now. Also mounted here, very lightweight. I was gonna get the Q13 version of this, but it was a little bit heavy and the Wi-Fi was really weak. You know, so I'm gonna just go ahead and keep this guy here and go from here. So it's a little bit windy, and hopefully we can. I mean, it's trying. And this is a windy, guys. It's catching up. So I got that Tello propellers in here, and then you can see, I mean, it's still fighting with the wind. And look how quiet it is. You could even, and look how woo! And coming back. And it's going up there. So this is a extreme wind, and he's handling it like butter right now. And with the gusts, I'm gonna go ahead and do some tricks. Woo! So now it's turning back to me. So now it's gusty again. But like I said, if you change your props to a Tello propellers, it's way better and it's much quieter. And the battery life is kind of weird, but wow. So it's my first flight with this fixed wing style of a drone, kind of like an airplane. But like I said, I mean, it do its job. So the Tello propellers though make this guy obsolete. So now I'm gonna go ahead and make it a plane. Here you go. It's just so quiet. Now the wind's kicking it. Woo! All right. Whoa! We didn't even hit the fall. Yeah. So if you don't, so this is where to go. Look at that. It's fun. I'm too far away. See, it's fighting with the, so it's fighting with the wind. Oh, it's going! No! Oh, so That would be a fail video right there. Damn. But anyway, do not fly this in a strong wind. I mean, this one right here probably won't even fly if it doesn't have a Tello propellers. And right now it's flying it because it's using Tello's propellers. All right, very patient. I still got one more bar. And let me see if it can still come back. It's still going up. Yep, it's still going upwind. So yeah, it's going up. Look at that. Wow. All right, I got low battery. That's what happens. But anyway, not bad for its first flight in extreme wind. Let's do one more time. One. Yeah, so it's really windy. Yeah, that'd be good enough. Well, anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And this is what we get for today. That was fun. Plus, of course, I'll probably have more weight. I add more weight on this guy here by adding this. So it really make a big difference.